Let's get that bold and beautiful look with these easy to follow steps. A classic eyeliner and bold lips is what enhances every woman's beauty. We'll begin with Clarins Instant Smooth Precision Perfecting Concentrate, which glides smoothly on my skin and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and pores. Now that my skin is foundation ready, I'll start blending the foundation all over my skin and around my eye area. Add a little Givenchy Concealer to eliminate my under eye look. Next, I buff some Lancome translucent powder all over my skin to set the foundation. Then, blend the Bassam Fattouh bronzer under my cheekbones and upwards towards my hairline for that contoured look. Moving to the eyes, I define the shape of my eyes by applying a soft brown eyeshadow in the crease, blending it towards the inner corner of my eye. With the Lancome Grandiose eyeliner, follow the lower lash line and draw the perfect wing. I then connect the eyeliner wing to the middle of my lash line. A perfect way to have a clean eyeliner is simply by adding a swipe of concealer underneath it and blending it upwards. Softly add a touch of pink to the apple of my cheeks using Lancome blush in the shade Subtle Powder. I finish my eye makeup with a touch of light sparkly eyeshadow on the inner part of my eyelid and towards the middle part to brighten up my eyes and define my eyeliner. To add a soft neutral glow, gently press the light shimmery color into the inner corner of the eyelid. With Lancome Grandiose Extreme, I brush my lashes upwards for that volumized and intensified look. For the lips, I use Givenchy Red Lip Eyeliner as a base all over my lips. Add Givenchy Red Lipstick starting from the middle and glide towards the edges of my lips. To finish the bold look, I use a little concealer around my lips and blend outwards to highlight that perfect red pout.